Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to know the trend in TikTok. It is a very simple method. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Thank you from the heart to everyone who is watching now. Let's go through the explanation. The first step is to go to the Google browser and write TikTok. After that, you enter the TikTok account from there. Do not enter from the application that is in the App Store. The method will not work for you. Enter from the Google browser. After that, enter your TikTok account, and here at the bottom you will find Discover. Click on it. After that, you will find this sign here, the Ashar sign, and you will find all the big and new trends. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. Any problems, no suggestions, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.